This festival has grown from the 6 full-length films produced last year to now highlighting 8 exciting new projects from local filmmakers. This means even more Panalo stories to share on the big screen. But unfortunately, 3 of our filmmakers are still in the middle of production, or I would say fortunately, that they are still producing their films and couldn't join us today. However, they were all kind enough to send a quick video message talking about their respective films. First up, we have Direk Katsi Catalan, director of Felipe. Very short but sweet but exciting kasi nakita naman natin yung star-studded cast na meron tayo, di ba? Next, we have Direk Tara Hillenberger for Tikiliwi.
Hi, I'm Tara Hillenberger and I'm doing my first film, which I'm happy to say I'm doing with Cine Panalo. The title is Tikiliwi.
Collaboration with the Cine Panalo. Siya ang editor from the Value. And then, ako naman yung director of photography sa film na Tikiliwi.
Hi, I'm Gabby Padelia and I play the role of Marvin in the film Tikiliwi.
Ako po si Yuki Luis para sa pelikulang Tikiliwi.
Hi, my name is Sunshine Chodoro and I'm playing the role of Juntan.
The reason why I really wanted to do this role was, well, one, it's a very beautiful story about perseverance and coming of age and family and found family.
Tinanong ko ang role ni Nay Pansay dahil kakaiba po ito sa mga nagawa ko ng iba pang mga characters. First, Ilonggo project ko ito. Magsasalita ko ng Ilonggo. So, very challenging ako sa akin.
I like how empowering it is for women.
There's so many things about this film that I love, but most of all, I think the script has so much heart, and I'm sure when everyone sees this, they will feel it.
Magkita-kita po tayo sa Cine Panalo. Panoorin niyo po ang Tikiliwi.
Next, we have Direk P.A. Malones for Salo.
I'm P.A. Malones from Iloilo City, the writer, director, and cinematographer of the film Salo. One of the finalists of Cine Panalo Film Festival 2025. So Salo, tukod pa rin sa story ng mga taga Gigantes Island of Carles Iloilo. Story of a father and daughter na diverse, na they risk everything para mabuhay. Kahit na sila na ng mag-ama, ay they're trying their best to survive. Na-inspire siguro ako gawin ng story nito dahil sa mahilig kasi ako sa seafood, sa mga shellfish, oysters, then nakakagat ako ng isang maliit na pearl. So naisip ko, parang what if sila yung mga nagda-dive doon, sila yung nag-release ng lahat, what if sila nakakuha ng mga pearl na mahal, and then hindi naman nila alam yung value, and then what if mabalitaan nila na mahal pala yun, bigla na sila maghanap at isi-risk ang lahat. In the end, parang baka nag-risk pa na lang buhay nila. So, siguro pinakamasaya siguro dahil yung support ng LGU, ng Carles Iloilo, Gigantes Iloilo, full support sa amin. Pambantay dagat, Coast Guard, yung mga underwater team kami. Happy ako na super safe lahat. Walang masamang nangyari. Kahit ulan man, minsan sobrang init, tapos bigla ulan. Na-survive namin yung 9 shooting days namin. Na-enjoy namin yung food sa Gigantes, seafood, scallops. Siguro parang 1 month po na kami hindi nakain sa Tagalog. I hope that it will inspire everyone na sana bigyan ng value kahit maliit na bagay o malaking bagay na nasa atin. At yung bigyan natin importance yung family natin na bigyan palagi sa atin to support. The focus of our film sa atin is about how to protect our environment and also how to conserve and preserve yung livelihood natin, especially yung pag-harvest ng mga maliliit pa rescado regarding sizing, also yung risk ng mga compressor divers. So I hope the film will promote sustainability sa livelihood ng ating mga farmers and fishermen and sa lahat na naghihirap to provide to our family. Thank you Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival for the opportunity for us to share mga kwentong panalo sa buhay.
Although Direct DM couldn't be here with us today, may we please call on stage one of the lead actors of the film, Mr. Allen Dizon, to speak on his behalf.
Hello, good afternoon po sa lahat. Thank you, Cine Panalo, for the opportunity to showcase our film in this titled Salud. It's a father-daughter story na free diver sa patungo ng scallops. And of course, Direct DM, siya yung taga-Legates. And sobrang sarap ng shooting namin kasi dahil first time ko maging free diver and first time ko pumunta sa Iloilo para mag-shooting sa Gigantes Island. So, mahirap siyang gawin physically, emotionally dahil it's a father and daughter film and how to survive. Nagagawin mo lahat para magbigay mo yung best mo sa anak mo and until such time na parang nangarap si Casco, yung anak ko si Arya. Nangarap siya na makabuha siya ng pearl at until napabayaan yung anak niya. Ginawa niya lahat para magbigay niya yung buhay na para sa anak niya. Sabi yung anak niya, konti lang hinihingi niya, cellphone lang. Hindi pa niya maibigay sa anak niya. Ganun kahirap ang buhay. So, we are so blessed na tayo, nag-survive tayo, and yung mga island na ganito na kailangan natin i-preserve. So, kailangan natin na pangalagaan. Yung nasabi ni Direct DM, kailangan natin na i-preserve yung mga island na ganito. And yun, parang sundan natin yung journey ni Casco ni Arya. Si Arya, si Christine Dumaisip, isa local actors na Iloilo. So maramihan ng mga kasama ko sa film, sa local actors, staff and crew. And si Direct DM, siya yung DOP, siya yung scriptwriters and director. And yun, sana supportan natin Cine Panalo and thank you so much sa lahat ng ububuo na Cine Panalo. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Allen. At this point, we'd just like to call on Direct Chris Kahilig and Ms. Ali to that. Sir Allen, you can or just a quick photo op with Direct Chris and Ms. Ali. Thank you. Sobrang excited na ng lineup so far, right? Now it's time for us to meet the directors along with their cast and crew that will complete our list for the 8 full-length films for the 2025 Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival. Please welcome to the stage Mestre Guzman for Sepak Takraw, joined by producer Rhea de Guzman and the stars of the film, Enzo Osorio, Emilio Castillo, and AC Aguilar. I know you have the floor right now. Please share with us, what did you expect?
Hello, good afternoon sa lahat. Ako po si Mestre Guzman, ang writer, director, editor pelikulang Paktakraw. Wala pang poster na ako rin ang gumawa. Ayan. So, sabihin ko kung dito ba yan. So, wala na kami pang bayad sa gagawa ng poster. Kasama ko po dito yung dalawang artista ko, si Enzo Sorio, kapapanalo lang po na sa Cinemalaya Best Actor. Sa pelikula,
The Hearing.
The Hearing. At si Nicolo Castillo, na napulot ko lang hindi po yun. Kasama ko rin po ang butihin kong producer, si Rhea Peranya. Inasawa ko na rin po para libre na rin ako sa producer ng pelikula ito. Ang Sepak Takraw po ay isang dream project ko sa totoo lang. Pang 14 na pelikula ko na po ito, na full length. Tapos tinatawag mo nila akong regional filmmakers na ewan ko kung bakit. Kasi naka-base po ako sa Nueva Vizcaya. Halos lahat po ng pelikula ko o kwento ay nanggagaling sa Nueva Vizcaya. So ito po, ang Sepak Takraw ay tungkol sa dalawang bata na sobra yung obsession nila sa laro ng Sepak Takraw, na dahil nga nagkaroon kami ng problema sa shoot. Kasi nung nag-shoot kami, ito yung bagyo ng Pepito. So nag-shoot kami, nagbabagsakan yung mga puno talaga. So yun na, naging part na nung pelikula yon. Tapos isang mahirap na, for the first time, nahihirapan ako mag-shoot. No, tapos yun nga, daming tao, at maraming salamat sa Cinemalaya. Ang kwento ay tungkol nga sa dalawang bata na ang obsession nila ay yung larong Sepak Takraw. At hanggang ngayon ay nag-re-rewrite pa rin ako dahil nag-e-evolve yung kwento. Kasi nandun kami mismo doon sa lugar kung saan nandun yung mga tribong Isinay. Kung alam nyo lang, ang tribong Isinay ay nasa big tree ng mga tribo na halos nakakalimutan na rin, na nasa Nueva Vizcaya. Ang una dyan yung mga Ilongos, yung mga sinasabi natin, headhunters, yung mga bukalot, Gadang, tapos itong Isinay. So, yun nga po, isa ito sa dream project ko. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo. May gusto pa kayong sabihin?
Hello po ulit, ako po si Enzo Sorio. Sobrang challenging talaga po nito para sa amin. Kasi, una sa lahat, di po ako marunong magsepak, pero tinitraining po ako para matutong magsepak takraw. At saka, doon ko na-realize kung gaano kahirap at gaano ka gandaan ng laro. Pero, wala siya dun sa competition na kunwari, basketball, di ba po, nasa mataas yun, soccer, football, nasa mga matataas yun. Pero ang sepak takraw, nasa baba lang siya. Pero sobrang ganda ng laro. Kaya, sana pagkatapos ng palabas na to, ipalabas natin to sa lahat ng mundo. Kasi, it is our pride also na din po eh. Kaya, salamat po.
Hello po, ako naman po si Nicolo Castillo. Ako po si Ayo, kapatid po ako ni Kuya Nitoy po, nasa ibang nanay ko. Pinipilit ko po na maging best na kapatid ko para po sa kanya kahit hindi ko po siya kapatid po na tuloy. Pero gusto po siya makasama. Pero ang ganda po talaga ng Sepak Takraw kasi pag nakikita ko po yung mga sepak player tapos nagalit po ako sa kanila. Sobrang natuwa po ako dahil natanggap po ako dito.
Ano po ako nga po kay Guzman. Gusto ko na po magpasalamat sa lahat, lalo-lalo na po kay Direk Chris, Archie, lahat po. Maraming po salamat. Sana po matapos namin yung pelikula. God bless us.
Thank you very much. But before we let you go, before you and your team go ahead, please join quick time Direk Chris and Miss Ivy to join you on stage for a great photo. Thank you very much, Direk, Miss, and team. Let's give them another round of applause. Next, JP Abad from All Sense Day, joined by line producer Flor Hombre, director Christine Parameda, and the stars of the film, Romney Sarmenta and Sander Nuda. Then JP, please tell us more about your film.
Ayun, magandang hapon. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ayun, so first of all, thank you so much po sa Pure Gold Cine Panalo sa pagpili ng aming pelikula. So ako po si JP Hap, ako po yung director at isa sa mga writer ng All Sense Day. Si Christine Parameda, co-writer ko po. Si Flor Hombre, ang aming line producer. And of course, Sir Romney Sarmenta. Wala na daw pong Sir, tsaka si Sander. And si Khalil Ramos, na po siya makakasama ngayon kasi kumakayod. Ayun. So, ang pelikula po namin ng All Sense Day, based po ito sa isang short, sa unang-unang short film na nasulat ko ng 2012. Nasulat ko siya nung namatay yung father ko noong 2012. So, parang ginawa ko to as a reminder ng mga kwento namin magkabakit kung kami ganun ang post. And also, parang gusto ko i-share ng pelikula ko yung importance ng family, may it be biological or chosen, na importante na meron tayong pamilyang nakakasama. Ayun, so...
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Cine Panalo sa pagkakataon na binigay nila para nagkwento ito. I played the role of Tony, sa akong gigolo. Medyo ko lang. Tatay po ako ni Khalil at ang batang ito na nanonagpresa. Pag sinabi namin, ba't ka umiiyak? Kahit hindi siya umiiyak, bilang iiyak. Hindi ko alam kung nauuto namin siya o umiiyak ko siya talaga. Medyo ko. It's so much fun doing this kind of film because it is personal also to those who wrote it and the director. And ako personally, I related to it because one, I am a father. I had a father. So, wala na rin. And para sa akin, the journey of the story, the journey of how the story was told. Parang ang dami lang niyang nabuksang ideas and ang dami lang niyang na-touch na points dun sa personal na buhay din. So it's just a joy to do this film. And I hope na katulad ng lahat ng pelikulang kasama po sa Cine Panalo, lalo na yung mga student films, panoorin po natin lahat. Kasi kung sa perya, sinasakyan natin lahat yung rights. Dapat sa festival, sinusuportahan natin lahat ng participants.
Una-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord sa mga blessings po na binigyan po sa akin, kay Mama Papa, kay Ma'am Tim, kay Sir Cinco, kay Desi Piaba, kay Direk Ian, sa buong production po na nag-open All Sense Day, kay Maestro sa STM family po.
Maraming salamat po sa Pure Gold na support ko yung isa. Salamat din kami sa director, sa cast namin kasi wala po pasaway, nakasunod sa kami sa BGF. Mabilis po namin nagkagawa yung show namin yan. Matatapos po namin yung business. Thank you po.
Hello. Maybe you would like to call out Direct Chris and Miss Ali to join them up on stage for a quick word of applause. Christian Paulo Lam and Dominic Lat for Journeyman, joined by producer Laverne Homer Lat and lead actor JC Santos. Direk Christian, would you mind telling us all about your film? What is The Journeyman?
Okay, I just want to say, grateful to be here, knowing how much talent and skills in this room. I am really humbled to be here. So our film, Journeyman, is about, again, boxing. I was certain, that was my last film, was Cinema Live, was a boxing film, and I was certain I don't want to do a boxing film because it's such a challenge to create such film. But I was confident that we were able to create this film because I had such a talented actor, JC, who gave his heart and soul and passion to create this movie. And of course, Cindy Manalo, CMB, everyone, the T6, everyone that's a partner of this festival. And we're very excited to create this movie. Journeyman is, we were inspired because me and my brother were training a lot as a boxer. I still want to fight, and that's my hobby. But this hobby is turned to passion, and we trained a lot with Filipino athletes, gold medalists, professional fighters, and they were all dreamers at one point. But it all came down to money and having to take care of their family. So a journeyman in the world of sports is someone that intentionally throws the fight in order to get paid regularly. So I don't want to spoil too much of the plot, but I want to turn over this mic to our actor, Jason.
Hi. I'm JC Santos, and I'm playing Jello and Journeyman. This is probably one of the most challenging roles I've ever done. This movie is about blood, sweat, and tears, literally and figuratively. I think the closest thing na inaral ko, aside, this is my first time doing boxing. I think I can only compare it to when I was 17 learning ballet. And that was when I was 17, I could recover fast. Now at 36, doing boxing, wala na yung recovery, tanda ko na. So it's, nahirapan ako to, and this is the pinaka-paborito ko. Now I was doing boxing, shooting the film with boxers and our choreographer, and even lahat ng mga fight ko, lahat sila mga boxingero. Isa sa mga natutunan ko ng time na sinushoot namin to, na kapag sobrang pagod na yung natawan mo, sobrang pagod na yung legs mo, hindi ka na makagalaw, hindi ka na makaisip. Ang magtatagdol sa'yo ay yung puso mo. And I think that's the Filipino pride, na yung puso mo ng Pilipino. Na kahit gano'n nakahirap, kahit gano'n nakasakit, kahit gano'n na wala ka na hininga, meron kang laging pinaglalaanan. Ito para to sa asawa ko, para sa anak ko, para sa pamilya ko, para sa bayan ko, lagi tayo may gano'n. Din yung totoong Filipino pride. At lalo na ngayon, siyempre, boxing, yun ito, isa pang Filipino pride. And that's the thing that I learned that keeps reminding me na you have to be friends with pain, discomfort, and failure for you to win. And that's Journeyman of God.
Thank you, Journeyman. Thank you sa everyone who helped us make this film. You know, the journey wasn't easy, but really.
Oh yeah, I just want to say, that's my mom, that's my brother, we're our family, we made this movie, we made it happen, right? That's why I'm going to believe your vision.
I just want to say thank you to Direk Chris, Pure Gold, and all the sponsors. And I would encourage you to watch all the films. I think they're really great. Thank you.
Thank you for your team. We'd like to invite again Direk Chris and Ms. Ivy for a great photo opportunity with you guys. Thank you, Direct Christian and Dominic and the team. Before we move forward, we would just like to call for the attention of the owner of Toyota with plate number 85. Jason Urdaneta for Cola. Joined by the producers, Mylene Kiko and RS Francisco, along with the cast, Alexa Ilacad, Katie Estrada, Jason Blake, and Kira Ballinger.
Shit, nakakabalo ulit. Ayun, first po, maraming salamat kay Lord. Siyempre, unahin natin si Lord. Thank you, Lord, sa opportunity na to. And Pure Gold, maraming salamat. Direct Chris, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And of course, thank you so much to our actors, Katie Estrada, Alexa Ilacad, Kira Ballinger, and Jameson Blake. And also, I would like to thank my executive producer, Miss Miley. Miss Miley, tao po dito. Kung mo iwan, sabi mo walang iwan na. Maraming salamat po. Ang collab po ay when two popular content creators face conflicts in their respective romantic relationship, they decided to form an unlikely collaboration. So isang malaking collaboration lang po ito. So naniniwala po ako na to win in life, hindi po natin kailangan mag-compete because competition is out, collaboration is in. And again, maraming salamat po and ibibigay ko na po ang mikropono sa ating mga guests.
Hello po, good morning to everybody. My name is Katie Estrada and I just want to thank Direct Jill and of course yung Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival and yung production namin White Space Studios and yeah, yung character ko po dito si Jared isa po siyang sikat na vlogger and his girlfriend broke up with him and hanggang dyan na lang po muna para hindi na po spoiler sa akin.
Ako po si Alexa Ilacad and I am the girlfriend that broke up with him. Sa kwento po. Pero good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ulit si Alexa Ilacad and I play the role of Peach, girlfriend po ni Jared. So, I would also like to take this time and this opportunity to say thank you po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa pelikula namin, ang Collab, sa lahat ng mga supporters po namin. Thank you for hyping us each and every day. And syempre maraming salamat din po sa Pure Gold and Pure Gold Cine Panalo Film Festival and also to our acting coach, Direk. Thank you so much po. And ayan, thank you for being here and I hope everyone has a great day. Well, medyo nasabi niyo na ano. So, okay pa sa joke lang. But again, thank you so much everyone. Lalo na to Cine Panalo. Thank you so much for having us. I'm just so happy to be here alongside with many amazing directors and student directors as well. It's so nice to see how inspired everybody is and I'm sure everybody works so hard to make these films come to life. And ayun po, about my character, I play the character of Melody. Very artsy po siya, like me, Eme. Pero ano, hindi nga Eme, no? Our film is very relatable. It revolves around us vloggers and influencers. So I think that's what a lot of people are trying to be nowadays. So I think they would really enjoy our movie. And ayun lang, thank you so much for the love and support.
Hello everyone, good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much Cine Panalo. Just want to say it's very refreshing to do this kind of project. It's my first time working with Direk, first time working with this production, and working with everyone. So I play as Clyde dito sa movie na to. One of the popular content creators that just wants to enjoy life. So, yun lang. Thank you so much.
Right now, we would like to call on Direct Chris and Miss Ivy again for a photo op with the team of Collab. attention of the owner of a Toyota with plate number TTI 269 to please approach the vehicle as a tourism of the issue victim. Again, that's a Toyota with a plate number TTI 269. For our next film, while Direct Baby Ruth Villarama will be here with us today due to a prior commitment, here with us to represent her and discuss their film Food Delivery, fresh from West Philippines.